Cut out the printed pattern. Sprinkle powder evenly over the pattern and shake off any excess powder. Open up main power switch. Open up your circuit breaker. Powering on. Open up drying temperature. Waiting for the temperature to rise. Open the top cover. Place the pattern in the designated baking area and bake. Close the top cover. Close the lid and use your phone or timer to count down for 2 minutes. When the chime is up, remove the pattern and you can then heat it.